Welcome to our channel. Today, explore how to get IPTV smarters on your Firestick. Contact Nancy at 2tv.store for superior IPTV services. Check the description for the link. First, let's dive into why IPTV smarters on Firestick is a game changer. It offers the convenience of streaming live TV, movies, and shows right at your fingertips. To start, ensure your Firestick is ready. Navigate to Settings and enable apps from unknown sources. This ensures you can install third-party apps like IPTV Smarters. Next, use the Downloader app to get IPTV Smarters. Enter the download URL provided by your IPTV service. The app will begin downloading and install automatically. Once installed, open IPTV Smarters. Enter your unique credentials, usually given by your IPTV provider. These details unlock a world of entertainment for you. Congratulations, you're set. Explore channels, shows, and movies. For any issues, contact 2tv.store customer support. Transform your Firestick experience with IPTV Smarters today.